Today we're going to be doing a 3-ball pattern run. That's going to be our drill for today. Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. We're at the table. Remember, this is a 3-ball pattern play. Playing 9-ball, and my opponent scratched and left me ball in hand. So as you can see, I have the 7 at the corner pocket, 8 is frozen on the rail, and the 9 is a hair off the rail. Wouldn't make a difference position wise whether it was on the rail or off the rail. So, but this is the actual layout, and again, we have ball in hand. So we got to look at how we're going to determine what pocket the ball's going to go in. Well, obviously we know the 7 is going to go in that corner pocket right over here, and the 8, the best deal for the 8-ball is in this corner pocket right here, and the 9 we could either go this corner pocket or back here to this corner pocket. So let's determine from the 9-ball and let's go backwards. So I want to try to sink the 9-ball in this corner. It's a little bit closer to this corner, so I have more room for me to get position on the 9-ball. So most players, I would think, would try shooting in this 7. They might draw and come back and then try to get an angle on the 8-ball. The key to this run is angles. You're going to play the angles. This is the best way, because remember, we want to wind up with the cue ball anywhere from here to here, anywhere in this area. That would be our best bet to get position on the 9-ball. To get there, we need to be somewhere around here on that 8-ball. So we'll come into the rail in natural position and bring us down somewhere over there up to the rail. So how do we get that natural position on that 8-ball? We need to get the angle on there. All right, so let's go ahead and take this shot. I'm going to slice this 7-ball thin because I want my cue ball into this rail and then come back to this long rail and come off to give me a nice angle on that 8-ball. So again, 8-ball is up on the rail. Let's go ahead and take this shot. I'm a little bit longer than I wanted to be, but what I would have liked to have done is avoid that 9-ball and bring my cue ball over here. But you can see what I was trying to do. So let's set that shot up again. All right, let's go ahead and take this shot. Got a good bounce off the rail. That should give me a decent angle to get into that 9-ball. And there we go. That's natural position. That's just using the angles. But remember, the last thing you want to get position is a straight-in shot. Until you're on your final ball, then obviously a straight shot would be great. But, all right, so now I'm going to set that same shot up. It's the same pattern, the 3-ball layout. 9-ball a little bit more over there. And let's see if, well, I'll just show you what happens when, again, most people forget to play the angles. So what they'll try to do, you know, is maybe shoot this 7-ball in that corner pocket a little bit straight on, and then come back here for that 8-ball, which is fine. But now, what happens with that 9-ball? I'm straight in on this 8-ball. Now what I could try to do, but again, I just created a much more difficult shot. I could bring the 8-ball, try to follow, and come down and then play this shot in that corner pocket, which is not the corner I wanted. Remember, I was trying to play position for the corner pocket here. All right, so remember, playing the angle, using, creating the angle for your cue ball to enter into a rail to play position, or to use the rail to gain position, is a key factor. So this is a great drill to practice. Practice it over and over. Remember, the most crucial part is getting position on this 8-ball. Once you get proper position on this 8-ball, you need this angle that's here. You need an angle like that. You don't want to be over here. You don't want to be all the way out here. So remember, and coming into the rail, instead of trying to stop short, you come into the rail, it gives you a bigger zone, a bigger safety zone, because that angle, when it comes off the rail, will remain the same. So whether you're all the way out here or all the way here, still gives you that angle. So again, remember, you slice it thin. You need that control speed, and that's the key to this run, or really any run. All right, so here's another 3-ball run out, playing 9-ball. My opponent scratched, so now I have I have ball in hand. So I know I'm going to sink my 9-ball in this side pocket. Obviously my 8's going to go in this corner, and my 7 in that corner. So the key to this run is getting position on that 8-ball. So again, you got to use the angles. But if I came this way, a straight in shot, I'm going to leave the cue ball here. If I roll off the rail from this angle, my cue ball is going to come back here. If I try a draw shot, I have to make a pretty nice draw shot to get back on this side so I can get that 8-ball. So again, remember, this is about using the angles and the rails. So the key here is getting back to this end of the table, somewhere in this region, to get position on that 8-ball. So I'm going to use this rail and this angle, so the cue ball will naturally come back to this side of the table, just like that. And now I could draw a little bit and bring that cue ball all the way out. And I got a nice easy shot of my 9-ball. And that's the game. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave comments below. Even if you didn't, please, again, leave comments below. Love to hear from you. If you have any suggestions on what type of video you'd like to see next, again, please get in touch with me. Leave comments, hit the like button. Please subscribe, share with your friends. I greatly appreciate it. Help keep this channel going. Also, don't forget to check out my website, learnbilliards.com. And for everybody out there on YouTube, use coupon code TAKE10, that's TAKE10, to receive 10% off your total order. And remember, at Learn Billiards, all, and I mean all, pool cues ship free. So please check us out, and you won't be disappointed. Have the best prices in town, and we'll match or beat anybody's price. So again, learnbilliards.com.